This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place a chock each side of the front wheel, diagonally opposite the wheel to be removed. Using the tool provided in the vehicle toolkit, pull the anti-theft wheel nut cover from place. Using the anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rear suspension arm and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the rear axle. Fully unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the wheel. Slacken and remove the upper and lower guide pin bolts. Slide the caliper from place, then secure it to the suspension spring with wire. Remove the outer brake pad from the mounting bracket, followed by the inner pad. Measure the thickness of the brake pad friction material. If any pad is worn down to 2 mm or less, all 4 front brake pads must be renewed. Using aerosol brake cleaner and a soft brush, clean any dust and dirt from the mounting bracket and caliper. Check that the guide pins slide easily in the bracket and that the rubber gaiters are not damaged. If new pads are to be fitted, the piston must be pushed fully back into the caliper housing. Ideally, this should be done with a piston retraction tool, although a G-clamp or similar will suffice. As the piston is pushed back, keep an eye on the fluid level in the reservoir and remove any surplus with a syringe. Position the new inner brake pad into the caliper mounting bracket. Ensure the friction material is against the disc face. Fit the new outer brake pad. Position the caliper back over the pads. Press the caliper into place. Then insert the guide pin bolts. And tighten them to the specified torque. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat the procedure on the remaining rear brake, then check the brake fluid level. Locate the wheel over the hub studs. Then refit and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Raise the vehicle slightly. Remove the axle stand, then gently lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Refit the cover to the anti-theft nut and remove the wheel chocks.